Now, once powered on, I can monitor everything straight from the AlorAir Smart app on my phone, and I can check the humidity levels, adjust the settings, or even turn it off remotely when I'm away. And now this is great when you travel or leave the house before the storm rolls in. Now, here's the real difference that I noticed after running the HD35P for a couple of days. I feel like that sticky feeling in the air kind of disappeared, and my apartment actually feels cooler, the air smells fresher, and during the Florida summer humidity spikes, this thing is capable of keeping the levels below 50%, and it's rated to remove up to 70 pints of water per day, which is more than enough for a medium-sized apartment or smaller home. And when those tropical storms hit and the humidity shoots overnight, it automatically kicks into gear and maintains the balance without having to touch a thing. It's pretty quiet too, just under 50 decibels, which means I can run it while editing videos, watching TV, or even sleeping with no problem. Plus, since Florida gets those random cool snaps in the winter, the auto defrost features keeps the running smoothly without freezing up. Alright guys, it has been around I would say 20-25 minutes, and it has gone down significantly, so I think it's doing very well. It already drained by itself. Let's go ahead and drain it one more time to see if we got more water in. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We got some water in here. And the pump is doing really well. The pump is pumping the water up. Like that. With no issue. So living in Florida, you can't really escape humidity, but there's one thing that you can do, and it's control it. Because the AlorAir Sentinel HD35P has honestly made a huge difference in my apartment, and it makes it feel more comfortable, clean, and protected, especially during the stormy months. And if you're in a humid state like mine, or anywhere that is prone to have moisture all year round, I think this is one of the upgrades that kind of just makes sense. It's quiet, it's powerful, and it's smart enough so it can run by itself and you don't have to babysit it. So go ahead and check out the link in the description and get yourself one of these AlorAir Sentinel HD35P dehumidifiers.